Wow, this is beautiful. Like,
that might be warm water.
is this hot spring water? I think it is. It's cold.
Is it the coldest water or not that cold?
It's not that bad.
It's warmer
It's
water.
kind of warmer water.
Time for a swim?
That is not gonna happen. I need a wetsuit.
We're walking around where we're staying here in Durango. Our Airbnb is just across the water, and before breakfast we thought we'd do a nice morning walk. So far so good. Pretty chilly.
Try. Let's see what's going on.
Got to our hiking trail. What do y'all think?
Let's go.
I think I'll try a little and then I may go back.
Look at all this snow. A lot of poop on this trail for some reason.
Poop.
Yep, there's one. Oh my. My foot's gone. Some nice deep snow.
All right.
All right, Jenna, let's do this.
Hold my hand. This is just, you know, like when we hike down and I get nervous. And another cool part is if you walk fast enough down the trail, it's really snowy, you could slip off the mountain and experience it in a whole new perspective.
Yeah.
This is worse because it's now icy.
It's funny because it just doesn't look downhill on the camera.
Oh! Avalanche and snow. And my boots. No, my boots.
Oi.
Hi. Well, not too long ago, Andrew,
Actually, it was a pretty long time ago. It's just that this ankle sprain just will not go away.
Andrew sprained his ankle pretty bad. It was black and blue and very swollen.
It's still swollen.
And we have an instant replay of what just happened.
And
Poor
I definitely
guy.
tweaked it slightly. Honestly, it feels fine. It has to feel fine because we're going skiing tomorrow.
We are in Purgatory Ski Resort here in Durango, Colorado. This is our second time skiing together. This is Andrew's second time skiing in general, and he's killing it. Texas boy on skis. He's got this.
How you doing, Cora?
Champion! Woo! Good job.
That's as good as it's getting for now. I'm already tired, man. Nah, that's not true. It's just my legs are very fatigued already. But
Yeah, wait till he uses them.
yeah, but
No, I'm just kidding. Out of all the bunny slopes I've been on, this one has a little steep drop off.
yeah, and it just goes straight down. Like there's no like little turns or like slow down stops or anything.
But it's so beautiful out here.
I know.
We're surrounded by so many beautiful mountains, and the snow is nice. And
The background is unbelievable. Like the mountains behind us kind of look like a green screen.
if
So
only there was fresh pow.
alrighty, Andrew's POV while skiing. Let's see if I can actually do this. Now this is like the second like bunny slope kinda.
Good job!
Go Jenna. We're officially doing, this is the second time that we're gonna be doing this green. It's a little steep on the downhill, but I just can't, I can't believe this view. Look at this view. Look at him go. Woo! Look how cute she is. This is steeper than what we were just doing. And this is the bunny.
right, we're on a green, just Dad and I. Last run of the day. Woo. I can hardly see. It's so windy. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh.
We're pooped.
This is the slope Dad's about to try out tomorrow.
Yes. If I got a rope.
Today we're on a ski cat adventure. We're up into the mountains because my mom doesn't ski, so the only way she can see it is through the ski cat. It's lovely. We're also watching skiers come down and
Attempt this black.
do the black.
Very successfully, honestly.
Woo!
Coffee and beer. You know, yeah.
It's smoked.
Well, the guy you talked to, Grady, he does like
So after riding around the snowcat a little bit, we drove 45 minutes north to Silverton, Colorado, and had a few beers, had some pizza, and walked around town. We highly recommend this place. It is a really, really cool little city.
Ski day 2. Ski day number 2. Second ski day.
Any other variations you want to do? Are you ready?
Here you go. Want to give it a shot?
Yeah.
All right. Hop in line behind that human.
Okay.
And next time,
Perfect.
folks, you get some skis.
Appreciate it. Cool, man. Thanks.
Dad and Aaron left me. Now I'm just here waiting for Andrew.
All right. Andrew's POV of the first run ever. Woo! Mom, I hope you're watching this. No! Oh, man. I was so close. Skis are annoying. Oh my God. Honestly, one fall, I was pretty surprised.
Oh, on a flat straightaway. Better high five.
First run ever for me. I did pretty well, I only fell one time. Definitely more fun than the graduate and the bunny slip. Going down for like 45 seconds is like, just gets really old and repetitive, so. We're doing pretty well. I'd say we're doing very, very well.
So coming up is a slope that maybe I'll do one day, maybe not. I've yet to see anyone attempt it. It's a double black diamond called Lil Toot. I have a little wiener dog at home that his name is Scooter, who goes by Toot, so he's Lil Toot. In honor of Lil Toot, I'd love to do this double black, but I could get 50 feet of air if I did it wrong, so maybe not quite yet.
it was a good day to wear.
Toasted.
Like 50-50 out front.
Proof that Andrew is skiing.
Proof that, yeah, this isn't any, you know, mumbo jumbo.
Just know we are absolutely exhausted.
Yeah, my sprained ankle is
It's 3:05 at this point. Andrew, show us the way. You have to lead the pack this time.
So you just have to tell me like where I'm going.
Yes, easy way down, easy way down. Whee! By the way, GoPro, I like to sing while I ski. Keeps me sane. If you turn around and I'm not there, then you've gone the wrong way. It's kind of chunky right now. Extra chunky. That's what I'll be after dinner tonight. He's trying to impress the GoPro, but I'm not keeping up, so we probably don't even see him. Andrew and I crashed down that earlier. Oh no! What happened? It's so dark. You got this. Turn left. That's the way back. I have no idea where that takes you. This is it. So dark in my sunglasses, I cannot see anything.
Oh, hey!
Hey, it's Dad. All right.
I think we might be done. I don't think my legs can take it anymore.
Mm-hmm.
We're on the snow cap.
Yes.
This Airbnb has an elevator. So, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I found this bagel place and I just have to go to it. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of Durango and of the city. It is like 6, it's probably almost 7 a.m. It's a little early for Jenna, and we had a crazy ski day yesterday, so I honestly don't blame anybody for not really wanting to come with me, because it is a 15-minute walk and it is about 16 degrees. But anyway, I'll give you a little tour. Currently walking over a little suspension bridge, and our Airbnb is right on the river, so it's absolutely beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my. Much better. So the bagel place that I want to go to is on the main road, and there's just so much traffic. So I'm taking a little detour through downtown. And if I'm breathing really heavily, it is specifically because the elevation here, I think we're at about 7,000 feet, and it's freezing. Durango is such a cute little town. We've walked through almost every day, and it is amazing. Little coffee shops, little small businesses everywhere, surrounded by mountains. You can't beat it. Almost there. I might have missed it. I think I did miss it. It's either up here on the right or I totally just fluffed. Let's see. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my God, there's nobody here. If this place is closed, I'm gonna be so upset. Oh my God, please be open. It's a Friday morning. I feel like everybody would want to be here. Can I do a Southwest bagel on the everything? And then can I also get can I do a cinnamon sugar with just plain cream cheese? Thank you. I got the bagels. I've already gotten really, really weird looks, which is fine. The lady at the counter immediately saw my camera and like just looked at it and looked at me, and I was like, uh-oh. So I just kind of put it down, and you'll probably see it. So, but holy crap, a beautiful walk. So I got a Southwest bagel that has like green chilies on it. I don't know what it is with New Mexico and like Durango and green chilies, but I absolutely love them. So I had to get them again. We're taking the scenic route. So our place is right along the Animas River, which runs through Durango, and I just scared off a bunch of ducks. Sorry. It's like, it could not be more perfect. It's a little chilly for my liking, and I'm super glad I got this bagel. It was a really nice, peaceful walk today, and I really need to get some exercise because yesterday's ski day just tore up my legs. So this was much needed.
Look who's back. Maybe they were just following me.
Yes. Is this for me? Or the gloves? I just poured some coffee.